If you're gonna put more than 5,000 miles on a bike in a season, it's gonna be well worth it.
So you get batteries, you get storage. The winter storage one time, and that's a $300 and some ticket right there.
You need air filters, they give you air filters. If whatever maintenance item needs to be covered, they cover.
I also like the discount coupons. If you're making a big purchase, the percentage off of it, yeah.
The fact that I had the freedom of dropping it off when I could, and I got the loaner bike.
Coming in, dropping the keys off, picking my keys up, riding off on my bike, you can't ask for nothing more.
The first year I did not have the Freedom Pack. It probably cost me about $7,000 or $8,000 out of my pocket.
It's insurance for me. I'm gonna spend the money somehow. I might as well spend it up front.
Oh, no, absolutely. I would 100% recommend it, and yes, I will purchase it. As long as I have motorcycles here, I will have a Freedom Pack.